This is a steam pre-infusion naked portafilter shot on the Lelit Elizabeth with handheld camera, I'm afraid. Pump runs for 3 seconds, then stops, and now the steam pressure is pushing brew boiler water through the puck, just very gently, probably at about 2.3 bar, and now the shot begins. And I've found with this particular Ethiopian coffee, it seems to produce a really nice shot. Now I'm just aiming for 32 grams out, so I'll just stop the shot at that point, and the total shot time there was 34 seconds including the pre-infusion phase. And that's come out looking fantastic, as it always does. So yeah, very nice shot, more than happy with that.